Hi. This is such a weird angle for me to film from, but I kind of have to because of what we're doing today. But I'm not going to get into that. First of all, I'm Santana. Welcome to my channel. Click the subscribe button. Let's get into it. So, today, we're doing I think every single video I say, we're doing something a little different, but this isn't that different. I've done this before, kind of, partially. Anyway, I need to stop. I woke up one morning and I was watching this YouTube video, Rami Reyes's video, and she was doing a get ready with me, and she used this primer, and she was like, this primer is amazing. Like, I feel like I'm literally engaging in magic when I use it. Like, it's great. It's like, what if it's that good? Then I might as well try it, right? So the next day, for some unknown reason, I spent $50 on it. So I bought it, and it is this. She just got here today. It's the MERCIER Pure Canvas Power Primer Supercharged Essence. So it comes in this little box. And it just looks like this. I can't lie, this packaging is super duper cute, but she's not that big. It's $50. Not that big, but I literally never use primer. I've been looking for a good one because obviously I have very textured skin and foundation always just looks really weird on me. So I thought, you know what, why don't I invest some money in a potentially really good primer and give it a shot. Okay, so what we're doing in total is we're going to try this for the first time. We're going to review it together, and then I'm going to do my makeup. I'm going to do a full face of random ass makeup because I'm bored, and why not? So let's do it. I have this headband. I don't really want to wear it, but I think I just will. Please don't judge my acne. I have a lot of it. I'm working on it, so don't come for me. This is what we're gonna be looking like. Whatever, I don't really care. So, I literally never use primers. I don't really know what to anticipate. I read some of the reviews though, and people were saying that the applicator was like horrible and that the product was too thick to come out of the applicator, but not a problem for me. So it just looks like this. The actual product itself is kind of pink. There's no silicone in this. I know that this comes from like Mercier had a whole line of different primers that went with this one, but there's no silicone in this, so that's cool. So let's try it. I don't know how much to use, whatever, because I literally never use primer and I know nothing about makeup. I don't really watch makeup videos that often. My review of this probably does not hold too much value in the beauty community, but I do have textured skin, so I guess if you're looking for a review as to how it works for that, you come to the right place, I guess. Okay, so off the bat, you know, it's good. I feel like I just expect to put on primer and just feel my acne like disappear, but obviously that's like not how that works. I do feel kind of oily. I have naturally oily skin, and I did moisturize before this, but I guess it's good. It's like moisturizing. I don't know. So review of this, I don't know. I guess we'll put on foundation. Also, I'm actually upset because when I ordered this, because it was $50, I was supposed to receive 2 free gifts, and I chose 2 sample sizes of 2 different setting powders, and they didn't come. All that was in the box was this. No setting powder, so Mercier. What was that one about? Also, they sent it in a really, like, a box a lot larger than necessary with a bunch of paper in it. That was really unnecessary. Like, the box was literally like this big, and then the product is like this big, so I was like, whatever. Lastly, this foundation I'm using is not match my skin tone at all, so whatever, you know, right? What the heck ever. So the reason I even wanted to do my makeup with you guys was so you could talk about some stuff. So I'm almost done with school. I'm pretty much in my last week of classes, and then I just have 2 finals, so I am feeling good. I'd really tried my hardest with this whole online thing, but it's hard. Like, it is a lot harder than I anticipated, but you know, it was hard for everyone, so that makes it a little bit better because we're all really in the same boat with this online stuff. My school actually, oh god, what was that? What the heck? Ow. Okay, what was I saying? My school just announced, I think today, that we are resuming our fall courses in person. So that's good news, that they are able to do that. I hope that is like a smart decision that they're making, not like a financial decision. Like, it's actually okay for them to do that, because it's a little scary, but I'm happy. I didn't really want to be online again. I thought it would just be weird. It would be, I don't know, it would just be a whole thing, so I'm pretty happy. You may be wondering, Santana, why are you doing your makeup with your eyes closed? And the answer is, I couldn't tell you, but there is something in this eye and it hurts. Oh shit. By the way, my mirror is right here. That's why I'm looking right here and leaning forward. Okay, wait. I think I like this whole Prima deal. It definitely made my foundation blend in much more. You can, wow. When I set this up, the lighting was still pretty good, but now it's starting to get later and the lighting isn't as good, so it's harder for me to see what I'm doing, but I think I like this primer. Normally I put on foundation, I feel really like cakey and it looks really uneven, but this actually made my foundation look pretty even. So I need a better foundation. If someone has any good foundation recommendations for a light-skinned lady like myself, please let me know, because I need a new one and I'm scared of buying foundation online because I don't know how to color match. Like, I don't know what my undertones are and stuff, so I don't want to just buy a foundation that totally doesn't match. You know what I'm saying. Oh my god, this video is gonna be so fucking long if I don't hurry up and shut the fuck up. Well, this primer is actually the most expensive makeup product I've ever purchased. I never spend money on high-end makeup. I always just buy drugstore makeup. But I'm kind of starting to feel like, you know, maybe it might be worth it in some ways to drop a few dollars. Definitely makes its differences. Leaves me some makeup recommendation. I need new foundation. I need to learn how to freaking do everything. I don't know how to contour my face. I don't know how to set my face. Obviously, literally, look at what I'm doing. I don't know how to do makeup to accentuate my facial features, if that makes sense. I only know how to do makeup just to like put makeup on my face. Like, just get by. Just do the bare minimum, you know? Like, I'm very far from a beauty guru, but I want to learn how to do makeup because I feel like that's such a cool form of art, you know? This is what I look like as of right now. My eyebrows are being crazy, so let me try to do them and then I come back. Please don't make fun of me if I come back and my eyebrows look crazy. My eyebrows are so grown out and I don't know what I'm doing that I just full sent it into like bushy eyebrow territory. See, this one, I do not know what she's doing. It's not. This one, not that bad. Oh, they're both pretty. This one, you know, good. This, what? Okay, anyway. Now I put tape on my face because I'm gonna do my eye makeup. I decided I just want to do something super extra for no reason. So I have this little purple Huda Beauty emerald, amethyst obsession. So that's what it looks like, super pretty. I'm just gonna purple as shit and do a big fat wing and call it a day. I'm gonna use this brush. This is a Sephora Bullet Crease brush. And I'm gonna take this pink color and put it in my crease. Why? Because why the fuck not? So that's what I did. That's what it looks like. Once again, not a beauty guru. I have no concept of makeup, so I don't know if that looks really bad. But whatever. Now I'm just gonna put, I'm gonna take this medium purple and just put it all over my lid, I guess. Okay, so this is what we have now. I just kept adding a little darker purple in the corner. Now I'm gonna put some white and maybe some sparkles over it. How does that sound? Okay, so I used my Modern Renaissance palette and this white kind of sparkly shade, and I did this. How does it look? I think it's kind of funky, fresh, and fun. I'm excited. Now let's add some sparkles. Ew. So this is what we have. Yeah, I don't know. When I do makeup, I just put random things on and keep doing that until it looks like something. And this looks like something to me. So I think we should throw some liner on, throw an eyelash on. It's weird because I feel like I do eyeshadow, eyeliner, lashes, but I think I'm gonna finish this whole eye and then go back and then do the other eye. Okay. Okay, I just did the eyeliner, took off the tape, and boom! Look at that. Don't look at my eyeliner. That looks kind of really bad up close, but boom! Look at that. Ooh, she did that. You could totally see where the tape was, but boom! Okay, lashes on. First eye, looking cute, but we're not quite done yet. So let me do that second eye and come back. All right, eyeshadow done. I thought you guys might just want to come along for this. I feel like this is oddly satisfying. Oh, boom, let me finish. Okay, eye makeup finally done. These lashes are hanging on by a damn thread, but I've been sitting in this hot room with no fan, my window's closed, and I'm sweating. So now I'm pretty much just at the point where I really just want to finish this. Look, we used the, where'd she go? I use this L'Oreal Voluminous blah 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 mascara. It's not that great. And then I shall finish this off with my favorite highlighter, the only one I ever use, Fenty Beauty Kilowatt. I just mix them both together because they're both great, and I use this random ass brush, and I'm so sweaty. I feel like it's making my makeup so cakey and gross. I hate it. Boom, boom, boom. Now, I don't wear lipstick because I have no idea what lip color would look good, and I feel like lipstick sounds like a really big hassle because then you have to go on your freaking lips, and then anything you put your lips on, your lipstick's gonna go on. So that literally just sounds like really inconvenient. So I'll pass. I'm just using Fenty lip gloss, Fenty Beauty lip gloss, and that color doesn't go with the purple at all. So in conclusion, this is what the makeup looks like. I am a big fan of this primer because it actually made my makeup look super even and not as cakey as it normally does. It's also not as greasy in my T-zone as I would normally get, so I'm a fan. I like her. This is what my makeup looks like, and this is a fun little get ready with me type video thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. I had fun filming it. Please like and comment and subscribe and share this video with your uncle and your aunt, and then your other uncle and your other aunt, if you have more than one, or just your uncle or just your aunt, you know, like just whatever. Okay, thank you for watching. Peace and blessings. I'll catch you on the flip.